Today we want to go over how our equipment can be used in chemical and pharmaceutical facilities. We can lift a variety of products depending on the equipment that we use. We can do drums, rolls, boxes, pails, bags. It just depends on the equipment. Today we are going to highlight our lifting trolleys and our vacuum move units, which we mainly see used in these facilities. Let's get over to Giselle. This is Giselle Martinez. She's going to be showing off our Pro 200 Easy Squeeze. This is our heaviest duty lifting trolley. This unit has a 550-pound capacity. As you can see, she has our Easy Squeeze arms on here. We mainly use these for rolls and drums. It's a battery-powered unit. It's controlled to move up and down as well as the squeezing and the rotation. As you can see here, she's moving it into place while moving it up. Now she will squeeze the drum. Once she has that drum squeezed, she will lift it and rotate the drum. This could be used to put rolls onto reels, to dump out drums. It's also, we have other attachments that can be used for boxes, pails, whatever you need. And once she has it up there, all that's controlled through the control panel. As well on there, there's a safety switch where she needs to hold down that safety switch and the release to release the drum. We use this so that the user can't accidentally bump into the button and drop the drum and cause an injury or create a mess. So once she has it up there, there's also an emergency stop on this unit that'll kill the power to the entire unit. As you can see, the drum still stays up there. And it's battery powered, like I said. So if you pull up the battery pack, and that battery pack pulls out like a suitcase. So if you have to use 2 batteries for a longer lifespan, you could easily pull one out and have one charging, and then it just drops right back into the unit, and the unit's ready to use. This unit comes with variable mast heights depending on how high you need to lift. And like I said, this is our heaviest duty unit at 550 pounds, but we do have smaller units as well to meet those capacity needs for you. This is Kevin Boyd. Kevin Boyd's going to show you our VM40. This is our lightest duty vacuum move unit. It has a 90-pound capacity. It's very versatile. First he's going to show you how it picks up a drum, and then he's going to show you how it picks up a bag, and the 2 different suction feet that we use for that. Okay? As you can see, the control system on this unit is very simple. There's a silver bar that you push up, and it goes up, and you push down, and it goes down. Once he has that on the product and has a seal, he has a grab on that product, and he just squeezes up, raising it. Now he's adjusting our load valve. This can be adjusted by the weight that you're grabbing, and that's going to just create a nice hangout height for the lift, so the user can easily move it around the facility without having to mess with the controls as he's walking it from point A to point B. Once he puts that down, he's going to show you the quick change feature on this. This is to easily change between suction feet, so you can grab a variety of products. He pops the foot off by pulling the 2 pins, and then he pops the bag foot on just like that, and now he can go and grab his bag. Once he has the bag up, he'll adjust the load valve. That doesn't need to be adjusted every time, only when you change capacities. But once he has that bag up, he's able to easily walk around the facility from point A to point B and doesn't have to fuss with the controls. A nice safety feature on this is if you are to lose power while the bag is up in the air, it'll just slowly drop to the ground. It doesn't instantly drop the bag, it slowly lowers it to the ground to reduce any risk of injuries, because that's the reason you have a vacuum lift to begin with. Thank you, Kevin. This is Connor Kaufman. He's going to be showing you our VM80. This is a 175-pound capacity unit. It's a little more heavy duty than the VM40. And Connor has the box foot set up out here for lifting boxes. This is important for end-of-the-line and finished products. If you're palletizing, it can also be used for any boxes in the facility if you're dumping them out or whatever you may be doing with them. Connor, you want to fire it up? All these vacuum move units can come in a variety of, we offer stainless steel, and we offer the regular units so they can't be washed down. All these units are sold through some sort of crane. Right now, Connor's showing it on our grid crane system with the swinging arm. We also have bridge crane systems that will have 2 runways and a bridge in between. As you can see, there's the full 360 swivel on there. And you can see the difference of size on this suction foot. So the higher capacity of the unit, the larger these suction pads get. So it's important that we match up that capacity with what you're lifting and we get the right size on that. Same controls as far as the silver handle, pushing it down to go down, pushing it up to go up. That handle can be extended. We offer a variety of handles on these lifts. And the pumps as well. Right now he's using our standard pump, but we do offer an explosion-proof pump as well for those areas that need it. Thank you, Connor. As you can see, our lifts could be used for a variety of applications around your facility. To easily make a 2-person lift a 1-person lift. Now, let's go back to the rest of our presentation.